High-profile trials can often cause anxiety or PTSD for jurors, the victim's family, and the public who are watching the trial proceedings unfold on live television. Reporter Sonia Goins spoke with a mental health professional from Hennepin HealthCare about what to do if you're experiencing negative emotions from watching the Kim Potter trial.
I received a call from one of our investigators that there had been an officer-involved shooting.
Another emotional day in the Kim Potter trial as the medical examiner took the stand and walked the jury through Daunte Wright's autopsy report.
The body was lying in the grass.
Mental health experts say graphic details of the trial can often trigger anxiety, depression, and other health issues for people watching the trial unfold.
There's a lot of vicarious trauma that can happen. And vicarious trauma is just this traumatization that can happen from not being there on your own, but hearing the details or seeing images that can traumatize people.
Dr. Talee Vang is a primary care behavioral health psychologist and says people of color who are viewing the proceedings often experience racial trauma.
This trauma forms from what either experiencing the racism yourself or witnessing racism.
Dr. Vang says racial trauma can put communities of color on edge.
When people of color see this or they hear about it, it creates a heightened level of stress or hyper awareness of their surroundings.
Some of the initial symptoms of anxiety and stress include lower energy, racing heartbeat, and muscle tension.
You might notice that you have tension that you're holding in your shoulders, in your face, in your legs even.
Dr. Vang recommends people practice self-care and know their limits.
If you've been keeping up with this trial and you're going into work, but you know this is impacting you, knowing where your energy is at and knowing exactly what you have to speak up on and what you can let go for that day.
Sonia Goins, CCX News.
Dr. Vang says a long-term impact of racial trauma can lead to increased depression, anxiety, and other health problems.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.